It was smaller than this. It was not that. It was not long like this.
This is what I'm saying.
Yeah, the
this
height
1.7. This almost. This my height.
Okay. The search thing is going to be good. Do you have them?
Available.
It's available.
It's available.
Okay. We'll look for it. Just means we have to talk about it now. Okay, so we can walk. Let me first of all see what you're doing. Your red pin. I don't even know what it is. So sometimes it's good to see the truth now. Can they see what is here?
Yes. Yes, you can see.
Yes. Okay, so because I want to correct this, the next number in the series. What do you have here? Chat. What do you have here? 4. You have 14. And here. Are you having the same thing with her?
No.
14 here.
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm having 10 and 13.
10 and 13. Okay, let me come here. What do you have here?
16 and 32.
16 and 32. Okay, so I'll be going straight to the point. I'll not talk much, but I will exhaust this lesson based on what you need to know for your exam. And you may have something like this to get the next number in series. But the interest of this lesson is what? Sequence and series. So my objective is to make sure that by the end of this lesson, you're able to write a concours and pass and become a human being in life. Now, the next number in the series, you first of all get how these numbers are coming about. That means the pattern. That's what is going to help you to know what is here and what is here. This is 2. From 2 to 5 leaves a gap of 3 digits, right? Yes. So 3 here. From 5 to 7.
3.
How many?
No. 2. I saw the 8.
It's 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it's no longer 3 that's added, it's 2 now that's added. Yes, so now. So from 7 now, what is going to happen? And we have added 3 here. Here we have added 2 to land here. So we are going to add 1 to land on the next digit, right? So we'll have what? 8. Right? Okay, now we'll add 0. It's okay. Now we come here. 2. From 2 to 6, something has happened. We have added something like 4. And we have added 4. 6 to 15. We have added what? 9. So the challenge is to know what we're going to add here now. It's going to be easy. In fact, it will be very easy. You are seeing it now. The answer is there now. You understand now? So we'll go to the next question.
This is like because I did not the first one I did a confusion because I wasn't all about 3 days. I did not.
Okay.
This second one I took, but I noticed that if we were multiplying by 3, we will have 6 people. 2 times 3 gave me 6.
Then 6 times 3 is not 15.
And 3 times 3 gave me 15. And 3 times 4 gave me the next number. No, 2 times. I took
2 times 3
2 times
6.
3 gave me 6.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 was 9, which I added to 6 gave me 15. Then 3 times 4 was 12, which I added to 15 and gave me 27.
Okay, your work is making sense. But from here now there will be a problem. When you do 2 times 3, then you are supposed to add 2 there. Because you cannot start without adding there as well when I know you're adding. Okay, this is this 4 here is 2 square now, and this 9 here is 3 squared. So 4 squared now is going to be 16. 16 and 5 squared is 25. So you will simply add 15, 16 to here, you have 31. Now you add 25 to 31, you're going to have 56, and work is done. 1, 2, 4, 8. So we have 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, 4. Yes, what is actually happening? 1.
Plus 1, 2.
Plus 1, 2, plus 2, plus 4. Then what actually happened here is unknown. Now, so this relation is not good. There is something again that we can do. This is what we are going to do. 1 times 2. So let's go by multiplication. 1 times 2 is 2 now. Okay. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16 and 32. Okay, so that work is done. So now we will look at sequence and series as a topic, and I'll tell you what you need to know, and I'll also help you to know. On the camera, if you work it, it's okay.
Let me just wipe what you are doing.
You'll be very good. Okay. Sequence and series. Under sequence and series, 2 things that we're going to be doing. Number 1, AB, and number 2, GP. We are together. So just write 1, arithmetic progression. AB, arithmetic progression. In bracket AB. The next thing you write is what? Characteristics of an AP. Characteristics. Is there anyone here that was running away from math class in school? Nobody now. So, you are a victim. It's okay. So this is, well, I'm going to make the math very easy. As a matter of fact, I'll just become oriented, only custom, math for custom. And then AP has the following characteristics. 1, A, the first term. In an AP, A represents the first term. It's okay. UN represents the end term. UN represents the end term. SN represents the sum of the first n terms. The sum of the first n terms. Z represents the common difference. The common difference. Z represents the common difference. with this noise outside. But it's okay now. Alright. Yeah, it's okay here. Now, I don't need to explain anything here because this is what I'll use to work. The next thing is how to prove that a progression is arithmetic, or how to prove for an AP, how to show. If you're right, a progression is arithmetic if and only if, we can write I double F. A progression is arithmetic if and only if U2, U3 minus U2 is equal to U2 minus U1. Please, we now box this. This is the proof for an AP. This is how you show that a progression is arithmetic. Choose what I said. Okay, a progression is arithmetic if and only if U3 minus U2 is equal to U2 minus U1. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on is an arithmetic progression. How is it an arithmetic progression? How can we prove this? U1 is the first term, U2 is the second term, U3 is the third term. So U3 minus U2, what's 6 minus 4? 2. So we have that U3 minus U2 is 2. Now we also need U2 minus U1. What is 4 minus 2? 2. So since they are equal, we have an AP. Are we okay? Yes, sometimes you can have a question that this is what you will use to answer. The next thing now we will do is the end term of an AP. So do you need to copy this? If yes, then you copy it as fast as you can. The end term of an AP. The end term of an AP. The end term of an AP. Yeah, I still copy here. Alright. The end term of an AP is given by the formula UN equal to, look at what I'm about to do here. A, which is the first term, plus n minus 1, C. What does n stand for? The number of terms. Or the position of the term is the same n here. So if we are talking about the 9th term, we have 9 here. Z stands for what? The common difference. Good. So the end term of an AP is UN equal to A plus N minus 1Z. Okay. Exercise. The end term of an AP is given by UN equal to n squared minus 2n. Find the third term of this equation. You find the third term. You are done now. Yes, so what is your answer? What's the term? What term do you have? You are still solving? You are still solving since then. An AP has first term and common difference. Has first term and common difference 2 and 5 respectively. Establish a formula for the end term. Establish a formula for the end term. And now that you are still struggling with the first question, we'll just go ahead, we'll just continue. So you will solve that one when you go home, you mark it. Now, so that's all for the end term of an AP. We'll have to look at some of the first end term. Sum of the first end terms of an AP. Did you copy this question? The second question. Are you done with the first one? Okay. You're done? No. Okay, stop whatever you're doing and then look up. Stop what you're doing. They say the end term of an AP is given by un equal to n squared minus 2n. Find the third term. So, we have that un is n squared minus 2n. We need the third term. So we need u3. What is difficult in replacing n with 3? Such that you have 3 squared minus 2 times 3. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. Minus 6, the answer is 3. That is work for the first question. Question 2 is this one. And we are doing it now. Are we okay here? We're not okay. How am I going to explain it now? Okay. Anytime they ask you to find the end term, you do like this. Okay, you just do like this, it's okay. Like this.
But you said the formula for the nth term was a plus n minus 1t.
Yes.
So why did you not like it?
That's why we'll use this one. We did not need to use the formula here because they gave us the formula for the end term. And they're asking for the third term. So the third term is gotten by substituting 3 in the equation for n term. Are we okay? Are we okay? Yes. There's a problem, you let me know. Shall we go to question 2? You cannot use the formula when you don't have A and you don't have D. The first term and the common difference, you don't have them. So you cannot go ahead to use the formula. See when we use formula now, question 2. okay. So now, that's all for question 1. We are doing question 2 now. Question 2. An AP has first term 2. Has first term and common difference 2 and 5 respectively. It simply means that the first term is 2 and the common difference is 5. The question says now, establish a formula for the n term. You now know that n term un is a plus n minus 1 t. So you substitute. The n term is now a, which is 2 plus n minus 1. You still maintain n because I'm looking for the n term, n minus 1. Then your d is 5. Now you work on this. This is the same as 2 plus 5 times n is 5n. 5 times 1 is 5. So this gives you un being equal to 5n minus 3. Well, okay. It's okay, God will.
So we're leaving the answer there like that.
Yes, you want to continue. This is the end term.
I'm telling you, like, we'll leave the n to be alone.
The end term is un. Nabi, it's okay. Rita, it's okay.
So that we are going to leave it at that point.
It's okay. That anytime you see me boxing, that's fine. Anytime you have an n term, this is how n term look like. Un equal to something. So if anytime they give you, given that un is equal to 3n minus 1, 3n squared plus 2, un represent the n term. That's why I gave you the characteristics of AP, so that anytime you see A, you know it's first term. Z is common difference. Un is the n term. Sn is the sum of the first n terms. It's okay now. Now we are done with the n term. We are going to the sum of the first n terms. If your mock paper is a pre-mock paper, there's a question there on sequence and series in section A. By the time I'm done with this, we can answer that question. Now, we are looking at the sum of the first n terms. Open your brain to understand. With the formula alone is self-explanatory. Sn is n on 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the sum of the first n terms. If the first term is 3, common difference is 2, and they want the 10th term, u10, or they need a sum of the first 10 term, that's S10, you simply do n on 2, which is 10 on 2 times 2a plus n, which is 10, minus 1, then times d, and your d is 2. So what am I trying to say? You simply substitute in the formula of Sn to have the sum of the first n terms. N on 2 times 2a plus n minus 1z is the formula for the sum of the first n terms. Now, exercise. The first term of an AP is 5, and the common difference is 3. And the common difference is 3. Find the sum. Find the sum of the first 6 terms. The first term of an AP is 5, and the common difference is 3. Find the sum of the first 6 terms. So I'm doing that.
Common difference.
3. This is a beautiful formula that sometimes you can use. There are some scenarios that only this formula will help you. What is you don't even need to understand anything here. Yes. If they give you the sum of the first 10 terms and the sum of the first 9 terms, you can determine the n term. If they give you the sum of the first 5 terms and the sum of the first 4 terms, you can also determine the n term. Stop what you are doing. You look up. We are looking for S6. You know that Sn is n on 2 times 2a plus n minus 1z. So S6, what's 6 on 2? 3. 2a, 2 times 5 is 10, plus n minus 1 should be 5, and 5 times 3 is 15. So you have 10 plus 15, 25. 25 times 3. What does it give you? 75. Right? So S6 is what? We are good now. You're not good.
Yes, sir.
You're not good. Are you good?
Well, good.
You're good? Okay, so it means it's okay, we can continue. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you not good? Three. What's 6 on 2? N is 6.
This is something also happened to me. I took 6 divided by 2. My answer gave me 2.
And remember in the exam, you don't use calculator. I'm always saying
I
this.
was never using calculator.
So we are continuing. We are now here. We are here now. Now, the third and fifth term of an AP are respectively 6 and 10. Find the first term and the common difference. This type of question is regular in your exam. You play with it. Okay. Now, it's always there. The third term is U3, which is equal to 6. And the fifth term is U5, which is equal to 10. What is the meaning of U3 equal to 6? It means A. What's the formula for the n term? A plus what?
A plus
N minus 1.
minus 1
Z. So now, n here is what? 3. What's 3 minus 1?
2.
2. So we have A plus 2Z equal to 6. Okay? For the fifth term, we have A plus 4Z equal to 10. At this point, we have 2 equations to solve. We have, how do we call them? We have 2 equations to solve at the same time for 2 variables. In Form 3, you are running away from simultaneous equation. Now you have to be a custom officer.
Sir,
Yes.
I never knew how to do that.
You have never known how to do it.
No, I mean, the child just said if you do this type of question, just go backward.
Okay, so I should go backward.
No, like that's the winner.
Yes.
2D equals to the common difference that has been given to come out with 2 equations.
You're able to look here. You have equation 1.
This
A,
equation, if we off this flash, it will not show.
pardon.
If we off the flash, it will not.
It's okay. Is it disturbing you? Okay.
That's why I'm using on my phone to view the bulb.
You have eye issues. Okay. I don't know how to off flash. All these things I was doing it at a young age. Oh, it's okay. Just by joke, it happened. I didn't even know how to do it. When I was still less than 10, these things were easy. Okay. Where were we? We're solving these 2 questions, right? These 2 equations. Yes, we have A plus 2Z equal to 6. We have A plus 4Z equal to 10. We solve these 2 equations. There are 4 ways of solving simultaneous equations. Okay? Yes. So, usually the easiest one, you always use elimination method. If you can't eliminate, which of course normally you should eliminate, you can now use substitution, graphical method, or matrix method. But those ones, when you see these things, come and eliminate. Look at me, just subtract. Subtract. What is A minus A? 0, right? What's 2, 3 minus 4, 3? Negative 2, 3. 6 minus 10, negative 4. Negative 4. So G is what? 2. G is 2. You now come, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you now come here back to equation 1. You have that A plus 2D is 6. So A is what? 6 minus 2D, right? Okay, so A is now 6 minus 2, D is what? 2. So it's 6 minus 4. What's 6 minus 4?
2.
So your A is 2. Your first term is 2 and the common difference is 2. We are good now. GP.
We said the common difference is 2 and the A is 2 now.
It's okay.
After the second equation.
Yeah, GP. It's not inside though. Okay. But I said the pre-mock, there's a question.
Yeah.
You have seen the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, at the end we'll answer that question before we go.
The sum of.
No, hold on. Well, let's finish GP. I'm wiping, right? It's okay.
Let's just copy the equation.
How long I think it's copied?
I was solving.
Huh?
Just say, no, I just come in 2022.
No. Eh? It was lastly written 224, 223, 213. You that will be launching every year. If you write and fail, maybe it's after 10 years that you see again. You have to pass now. Just by seeing me, you go and fail custom that what is happening.
I was asking since we have already 2 years to be right now.
Yes, and I'll give you more. I'll give you more, even the ancient ones. If only. Okay, now, GP. Characteristics of GP. Now, we have the first term, A. First term. Then we have TA, end term. We also have SA, sum of the first end terms. You're writing. Sum of the first end terms. We now have R, which is the common ratio. Those are the properties or characteristics of a GP. Now, we are also going to follow the same train, what we did with an AP, but I'll be faster now because you already have ideas. How do we show or proof for a GP? The third term over the second term, this is the proof for a GP. So T3 over T2 must be equal to T2 over T1. In that scenario, we have a GP. Why am I giving you this kind of proof? Because they can ask you, which type of progression, AP or GP? This is what you do. Do this, you know it's a G. You're still using your phone. It's not still going. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault that you have half eyes. It's okay. You were born like that now. It's not my fault either. So.
No, it's that the flash was making my eyes to be pain. So
Okay.
hitting one point.
I see. I see. But it's okay now. This one is okay now. This song that I was singing here. God, it's okay. Rita, it's okay. It's very okay now. Very okay. Now, the end term of a GP. The end term of a GP. End term. Cn is AR to the n minus 1. What does it mean? T2 is AR, T3 is AR squared, T4 is AR cubed, and so on. That is why Tn is AR to the n minus 1. The next is what? Sum of the first n terms. And finally, sum to infinity. Sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n term, Sn. Sn equal to
So that was
1 minus r. Now, God, we prepare to read that question so that we solve it. There's nothing to add here, we are done. That's sequence and series. I'll add this formula, sum to infinity. In mathematics, this is infinity. Okay. God, is your phone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's another one. Okay. This is the phone that was here yesterday and you were blocking places.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Okay, so this is yours.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay. It was blocking everywhere. He said when you just hear any small sound, you know that people are coming in. Okay, read that our question now. Read that our question. So sequence and series is formed. Any question in sequence and series, you're the best person that can answer that question. Read it now.
The sum of the first eight terms of an
You people should look very well. The sum of the first
8 terms of an analytic equation is 140.
114. Like this.
Yeah, no, 144, sir. If the fifth and seventh term are 18 and 24.
The fifth term, 18. Seventh term, 24. Yes.
Respectively, find the first term and the common difference.
Very good. Very good. Asking for the first term and the common difference, they don't even need to give you SN. This one is enough. This one like this is enough. I don't know why. Let's just go with that. Look at what I'm doing here. U5 is 18. It means that A plus 4D is 18, equation 1. Now U4, sorry, U7
A plus 16
is 24. This means that A plus 6D is 24, equation 2. Now you solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. What I showed you, a plus 40 is 18, a plus 60 is 24. You subtract. This one will burn. 4d minus 60 is negative 2d. 18 minus 24 is what?
Minus
Negative 6. So now d is what? D is 3. You now look for one of the equation, the one that catches your fancy. You substitute d. So let's go to equation 1. From equation 1, we have that a plus 4d is 18. So now, a is 18 minus 4d. So a must be what? 18 minus 4, where d is 3. Meaning we have 18 minus 12. What's 18 minus 12?
6.
18 minus 12, 6. So you now put your answer like this. A, 6, D, 3. You pass it. Okay. Did you pass it? Did you pass it? You just try. Okay, well, you did your best.
now substitute.
Number 18 is again sequence and series. Okay.
That was the only question that has sequence and series.
Yes, I think so. So now sequence and series you are born. You are throw bomb. You will now continue with another course. This topic is fine.